In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find who subscribed to your email list in Kit. If you've been collecting email signups and you're wondering exactly who's on your list, where to see them, and how to understand their status, this walkthrough will guide you through the main subscriber view inside Kit. We'll use the built-in tools so you can clearly see who's joined, who still needs to confirm, and who might not be engaging anymore. First, sign in to your Kit account and look for the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Up there, you'll see a tab labeled Grow. Go ahead and click on Grow and then choose Subscribers from the dropdown. This subscribers area is where Kit keeps the master list of people on your mailing list, along with some helpful analytics. When the subscribers page loads, you'll probably notice a graph at the top. That graph gives you an overview of how your subscriber count has changed over time. It's useful for trends, but to actually see who subscribed, you'll want to move past the chart. Scroll down below the subscriber graph until you reach the main table. This table is the detailed view of your individual subscribers. Here, you'll see each subscriber listed in a row, with columns showing information like their name, email address, and subscription status. This is your primary place to check who subscribed and quickly scan through your audience. If your list is new, you might only see a few entries. If you've been growing it for a while, you can scroll to see more, and you may also use the page controls or search bar, depending on the options available in your account. At the top of this table, there's a drop-down menu that controls which subscribers you're looking at. By default, it's usually set to Confirmed Subscribers. These are people who have fully joined your list and clicked any required confirmation link in their inbox. This is typically the group you'll email most often. If you click that drop-down, you'll see other options, such as Unconfirmed. These are people who filled out your form but haven't clicked the confirmation link yet. It's helpful to know who's in this category because their emails may still be sitting in spam, or they may have simply forgotten to confirm. You may also see a filter like Cold Subscribers. These are contacts who are still on your list but haven't engaged with your emails for a while. Knowing who is cold can help you decide whether to send a re-engagement campaign or clean up your list over time. By using the Grow tab, opening subscribers, scrolling to the detailed table, and adjusting that status dropdown, you'll always know exactly who subscribed to your mail-in Kit and what stage of the subscriber journey they're in.